Welcome to Let's Talk About Cancer, the podcast that provides information and support for those affected by cancer. Today's episode is titled Cancer is Not Just a 6-Letter Word, and I am your host, Dr. Satish with you. In this episode, we'll be discussing the impact of cancer on individuals, families, and communities, and how we can overcome the challenges associated with cancer. Cancer is a complex disease that affects millions around the world. It can cause physical, emotional, and financial challenges for patients and their families. A cancer diagnosis can be overwhelming and scary, and it can leave individuals feeling isolated and alone and hopeless. However, it's important to remember that cancer is not just a 6-letter word. It's a journey that requires support, care, and compassion. One of the most significant challenges of cancer is the emotional toll it can take on the patients and their families. Patients may experience anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues as they cope with the diagnosis and treatment of cancer. It's important for patients to have access to emotional support services such as counseling, support groups, and mindfulness practices. Another challenge of cancer is the financial burden it places on patients and their families. Cancer treatment can be expensive and prolonged, and many families struggle to pay for the care that they need. Patients and their families should explore financial assistance programs and other resources that help alleviate the financial burden of cancer treatment. However, there is hope. Cancer survivors and their families are powerful advocates for cancer research and support services. Through their experiences, they have become strong advocates for cancer prevention, treatment, and research. There are also many resources available to support individuals and families affected by cancer. From support groups to financial assistance programs, these resources can provide the emotional, financial, and practical support that individuals and families need to overcome the challenges of cancer. In conclusion, cancer is not just a 6-letter word. It's a journey that requires support, care, and compassion. If you or someone you know is affected by cancer, know that you are not alone. There are many resources available to support you on your journey. Thank you for listening to Let's Talk About Cancer. We'll see you on the next episode.